This ain't a song about Mexico, 'cause it ain't the only place to go. Ain't gotta be in the Caribbean to have some good old fun in the sun. Well, I know it ain't hot all year, but paradise don't get lost around here. The Florida Keys have got their pretty palm trees, but this here is a song about me. Well, I'm a boat shoe redneck, and I ain't afraid to get wet. I catch supper from an old fish net, 'cause I'm a boat shoe redneck. And I'm a flip-flop cowboy, I got a 30-foot water toy. Come by tonight and catch me waxing my board, 'cause I'm a flip-flop cowboy. Ain't at the top of no best beach list, but talk smack and you'll get met with a fist. Ain't gotta be a New Jamaica mom to have some good old fun in the sun. We got swampers and some world-class farms, and people come to feel the ocean charm. It's just a deal we don't make a big fuss, and this here is a song about us. We're some boat shoe rednecks, and we ain't afraid to get wet. We catch supper from an old fish net, 'cause we're some boat shoe rednecks. And we're some flip-flop cowboys, we got 30-foot water toys. Come by tonight and catch us waxing our boards, a bunch of flip-flop cowboys. Oh, and cowgirls too.